Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome to Online Money Hunter. I'm so excited because whenever I'm dropping video here, just know that you are going to make money with the strategy that I'm going to drop. Okay, this neural net from Tafabot, okay, this particular boot that have been making money like crazy for us. Like, I want you guys to try this. Okay, this is just a plugin. What you need to make money with this boot is just your API. Okay, giving access to your API. Here in this video I explain everything. Come and watch this video. Okay, this is all in one, all in one. This is where I started making video concerning this Tafabot. Okay, and this a neural net boot is very powerful, and if you see how it keep making money every day you are going to keep making money every day. Like, I started with $100, and I see the result is quite interesting. So I say, okay, let me add another extra $100, making it $200, and we are going right now to see the amount that it have generated. So we are going there for you to see the amount that it have generated for me. Okay, with just $200, I'm going to add extra $300, making it $500. Let me see how much it's going to make me in just 10 days or 20 days or 30 days. Okay, this is something that you don't have to worry once you give it access. Okay, like API, if you watch this video you are going to see how everything done. Okay, you are going to see how I fix everything. It's very simple when you watch this video. This is the reason why I keep asking you to join me and do what I'm doing here with this boot. You are 100% secured because the money that you are using to trade is in your exchange and nobody is touching it. The only access you are giving these boots is for them to go and buy and sell for you and return profit and capital, then return back again to the market, analyze the market and check the profitable coin. Okay, buy, sell again and repeat it again. That's what this boots do. So I'm going to share you the boots, and we are going to talk more about that. But before then, I want to ask you, have you subscribed and turned on the notification bell? If you haven't done that, please go and do that now. Make sure that you join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram, where I teach more things you need to know about all how you can make a lot of money online. Okay, so make sure that you join us there so that you will understand everything. What I do here is that I show you the practical way on how to make money. If you follow me step by step, you are going to make the same amount or more than that. So join our community now so that you can keep getting information on time and you are going to keep making that money on time. Okay, like, that's why I make up time to teach you what you should be doing in order to make that money. So let's go. So we are here in Tafabot. Okay, their new neural net have been making a lot of money for us here. So let me log in first. So you can see we are in right now. So what I'm going to do right now is, so you can see the boot that have been making this. Okay, this boot make money like crazy, as in, try you can understand what I'm saying. Make sure that you watch that previous video, that first video that I touched. Okay, once you watch it, you are going to understand the process we are using here. So I click on this dollar. So once I click on this dollar sign, so I'm going to click on this boot. Okay, so once I click on the boot, you can see that the boot have made me $71. Okay, the boot have made me $71, and this was since November 1st. Okay, and today is 12. Okay, you can see that today is 12, just 12 days, $71 with $200 that I invested. Or let me just say that I give the boot permission. Okay, because the boot is working on my behalf. Okay, the thing that I'll be doing by myself, sleepless night and everything, the hardest part of it is what this boot have been doing for me since. Okay, so you can see the amount that the boot have made for me. So the reason why I'm showing you guys here this is for you to know how you can do it if you want to switch. Okay, so if you want to switch, if you want to add money, okay, if you want to add money, what you need to do right now is to always come to this place. You can see where I'm touching. Okay, remember, the one that I'm making use of is features. There's a lot of money to make on features. It's not the same thing with sports. Okay, sports is a low risk but you're not going to make a lot of money like that, but you will keep making money every day. Okay, but in future there is a lot of risk there. Okay, like even Binance and every exchange always warn you about the risk. Okay, but reason why I love this website the reason why I love this boot is that since I started this boot, I have been making money. Okay, I have been making money. So what we are going to do right now is to click on this place. Okay, you can see where I'm touching this on. So once you click on that on, click on this delete. Okay, so once you click on delete, you come to this place and click confirm. You can see confirm delete boot. Are you sure you want to delete the boot? This will remove the boot from your boot risk. Okay, boot list. So I'm going to click yes. So you can see that the boot, I have deleted the boot. So what I'm going to do right now is very simple. You can see that no boots here. Okay, so I'm going to my exchange where I have money. Okay, so I'm going to make use of Binance. So what I'm going to do is to remember that I'm going to add extra $300 here, and when I added that $300, it will become $500. Okay, and I'm going to monitor it and know how much I'm going to make in 10 days or 20 days or 30 days. Okay, so that I will compare it. Okay, so we are going to our Binance. So here in Binance, what I need to do right now is to come to this place. Okay, you can see where I'm touching. So once you click on wallet, another thing to do is to scroll this to features. You can see where I'm touching. Okay, so once you click on features, you see that. So the next thing is to click on this transfer. You can see it here. So once you click on that transfer, we want to transfer from sports wallet, okay, to feature wallet. Do you understand? I have $200 in future, so I'm going to add extra 300, making it $500 in future. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So how to do this is to make sure that the sender is always at the top, while receiver, which is feature, is always at the downside. So I'm going to enter 300 here. So once I click on 300 here, the next thing is to click on confirm. Transfer successful. So that's that. What I'm going to do right now is to come to this boot. Okay, so once I come to this boot, I'm going to go back. So once I come here, I'm going to come to this NeuralNet. So once I click on NeuralNet, I'm going to click on this place. You can see where I'm touching. So once I click on get started, I'm going to enter 500 here. So once I click on 500 here, I'm going to click on enter here. You can see where I'm touching. So you can see the option. You see sports or features. So we are going to make use of features. Okay, so the next thing is to accept the risk. You can see it here, risk notice. Features trade carries a large risk. Okay, so I'm going to click on accept. So I'm going to make use of Binance because that was the one that I connected my API. So you can see everything here. This is what I'm trying to set up. So after going through it, I click on create. And it's creating right now. Okay, you can okay, there's a lot of way to do this. You can pause the boot. Okay, so once you pause the boot, you can then go back to Binance and add that money in your future wallet. Okay, you can pause it and do it, but sometimes it takes time for it to pick. Okay, for it to pick, but if I do it the way I'm doing it right now, the boot is going to pick very fast. So I click on this, that's on. So once I click on, you can see that where I'm touching. Okay, so I click on confirm. So you can see boot has started. Okay, boot has started. The above amount is purely profit from the activities. Okay, this is new one. Okay, no profit yet. So this is how you can add money to your boots to start trading for you. You can see that it's on right now. Okay, so what I'm always keep doing right now is to keep checking. Okay, keep checking, keep checking, keep checking. So this is how we are making this money. This is how we are making this money. You self, you can make more than this. Okay, you can make more than this. You can start now. You can start now. It's very simple. You can start now. Don't waste time. Don't waste no time. Okay, because time waits for nobody. Don't waste time. So we are going to come back again, and I'm going to show you results. Okay, I'm going to show you the result that these boots have made for me. Okay, see you guys at the top. Make sure that you ask me question either in the group, okay, or you can ask me in the comment below. Okay, if you're having any challenges, I'm there 24/7 to ask or help you out. Okay, we are all here to help one another. So see you guys at the top.